To construct a Pareto chart here for this data, I'm going to go ahead and select the data that we want to graph into a Pareto chart. And a Pareto chart basically looks like a histogram. So I'm going to go to the column graphs, 2D column, and pick this first option right here, constructing our bar graph. Now we do need two things here. So we need the bars to touch so that it is more like a histogram. And then also we need the bars to go in descending order. So from the greatest frequency to the least frequency, or the tallest bar to the shortest bar. So I could kind of change the layout of the graph if I wanted to. This kind of looks nice. And then we'll want to change the layout so that we get the bars to touch. So I went up to here to click the layout and change it to this option. We get the bars to touch. It'd be kind of nice to maybe have some outline to our bars. So if I right click on where the bars are located, I can change the outline and I can choose whatever color I might want. I'll choose black here and make it a little bit of a thicker outline. Wonderful. And it looks like we can add in some axis titles here. And so these are our different spending categories for the 2018 spending in the United States. And this would be, I guess, the amount of spending. We'll just call that the amount in billions of dollars. And we can title this graph to 2018 federal spending in the United States. And then the last thing is, to make this a Pareto chart, we need the bars to go in descending order. So what we can do is we can take our data here and we can actually sort it. So there's two things we could do. We could either go up to this option, sort and filter, and do a sort in this area, or we could also right click on what we selected here, and when you right click there is sort right here. I'm going to go ahead and show what a custom sort will do. So in a custom sort, we can first of all pull from this drop down menu and pull which one we want to sort by. And I want to order by dollar amounts. So I'm going to go by dollar amounts in billions, and these are values, and we're going to sort them actually from the largest to smallest. So we go from the greatest to the least and hit OK on that. So you'll see my data arranged now from the greatest down to the least, and then that also reflected in the graph, which now makes this a complete Pareto chart.